This is going to be a half double crochet popcorn, but with 5 half double crochet. We're used to using 4 double crochet in our popcorn, sometimes 5, but I'm going to use 5 half double crochet. So let's get ready. Let's find our next spot. That's where it's going to go. We're going to put 5 half double crochet into that next spot that is indicated in our pattern. That's 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, and 1 more makes 5. There we go. Now you take your hook out to make the popcorn. We go back to the first one, get under those 2 top loops, pick up the working loop, pull it through, just pull it straight through, give it a little tug, and then make a closing chain to secure it so that it stays popped. Nice fat chunky popcorn there. Very nice texture. Let's move aside and go again. We make another one. Let's get some yarn first. There we go. So I'll come over here now. Start again. 5 half double crochet into that spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take the hook out. Go back to the first one. Get under those 2 top loops. Make sure that the third loop is underneath. Otherwise your popcorn is just going to sit in the gap and you don't want it there. Pick up the working loop, pull it through, cinch it tight, closing chain to finish, and there we go. There's a second one. Very nice, chunky, almost bobble effect. One more, and then you can go and have a play. 5 half double crochet into the next space, as per your pattern, always as per your pattern. I think that's 4, and 1 more makes 5. You can see them, you know, you can just pull them open and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back under the top loops of the first one, pull the working yarn through, cinch it tight, chain 1 to close, and away we go. There we go. There are 5 half double crochet popcorn stitches. On the back, you see when you pull it tight and you cinch it, the popcorn pops through and it will stay popped. It won't come pushing back unless you really have to force it, and I can't even do that. That's why cinching it just when you do that pull through is really handy to make sure that your popcorn stays popped. Okay, there you go. Another fun stitch to play with. Catch you later.